Hey guys, today we're checking out the TerraFlex Monster Front Forged Adjustable Track Bar, fitting all 2007 to 2018 JK Wranglers with 0 to 6 inches of lift. Now, your track bar is responsible for keeping your axle center, so if you've lifted your Wrangler and you didn't get a track bar in the kit, and you're looking to correct some of those thrown off suspension angles, then this is going to be a great option to take a look into. This will be a great choice if you're experiencing any wobble due to worn out bushings and you're looking for a track bar that's going to be a lot more durable than your factory one. This track bar will be 230% stronger than stock, made of a forged steel material, so you can rest assured that this is not going to get busted up on the trail and will last for years to come. This also is going to be completely adjustable, so you can perfectly center your axle underneath your Wrangler for the best drivability. This will also have a nice black powder coat finish on top to resist any rusting or surface damage, and will come with eyelet ends and press and fit rubber bushings. Now, overall, if you're looking for one of the strongest track bars with a lot of adjustability, then this is going to be it. Now, when it comes to price, this will come in at roughly $325, which will put it at a more premium price point, but for good reason. Now, looking at other options on the page in comparison to this, some may be set up a little bit differently. Now, what I really like about this option is that it has a collar to adjust it, so you don't have to take it off of the Jeep when you're adjusting the length. This will also be made of a forged steel construction, making it incredibly strong, like I mentioned before, as where some of their choices may be made of a DOM tubing construction. Now, it will come down to your application, how hard you're wheeling your Wrangler, and what you're looking for out of a track bar, but if you're looking for one of the strongest track bars and don't mind paying a couple extra bucks for it, then this is going to be for you. Now, when it comes to install, I'm going to give this a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter just because it is pretty straightforward. It's probably going to take you about an hour to get the job done with the correct hand tools. Now, one of our installers here is going to walk you through that process step by step. So that wraps it up for my review. Let's go ahead and get into the install.
Tools required for this install include an electric impact, an air impact, a couple different size extensions, a 21mm and 18mm sockets, and a 15mm and 21mm wrench. What's up, guys? Today we're going to be installing a track bar on our JK Wrangler, so let's get started. So now we can take a 21mm socket and a 21mm wrench and get our bolt out. If you're having trouble pulling it out, you can put the Jeep back on the ground and put some tension in there, and it should be able to slide out easier for you. So now we're ready to install our new track bar. So it does have this adjustment down here. You loosen this clamp and then you can spin it right to make it shorter, left to make it longer. We don't have a lift on our Jeep, so ours fits right up. So we can just slide it right in. Now we have our nut with our tab, which is going to slide in to this little compartment back here. And then we can tighten this a little loosely and then fully tighten everything when we get it back down on the ground and get some load on the suspension. And now with our Jeep back on the ground, we can go ahead and fully tighten everything down. So that'll wrap up this review and install of the TerraFlex Monster Front Forged Adjustable Track Bar for 0 to 6+ inch lift for your 2007 to 2018 Wrangler. Thank you for watching, and remember, for all things Wrangler, keep it right here at extremeterrain.com.